Thanks very much for joining us. Tell me, I heard your speech just now. You talked a lot about how much you've done for Delhi. But after 15 years, anti-incumbency, don't you feel it?
No, I feel pro-incumbency.
Pro-incumbency.
Yeah, pro-incumbency because of the work that we have done. It can be seen and it can be felt. And we are promising that if you do not bring the Congress back into power, all the development that has taken place will not only stop, it might even slide back. Because the kind of promises that the opposition are making are impractical and only something to win over people, but they cannot be implemented.
And who's going to come second and who's going to come third?
I have no idea about
Who's
that.
your main competitor, you feel?
The main competitor is the BJP.
BJP.
No doubt about it, because it's the only other established party in Delhi. Others, even like BSP and all, come here, but they don't make much of a difference. The real
What about the
contest...
Jharu?
The Jharu is, well, you know what it is.
It's not sweeping Delhi?
No, because the Jharu tried to blacken everybody. Today it stands blackened itself. And when it started, it gave itself a self-certification that we are the best, we are the cleanest. Today they don't look like that.
But you did say that you are willing to form an alliance with them. That sort of sounded...
No, certainly not. What I said was that we are confident to win the election on our own. If in future, and the people of Delhi are not looking for an unstable governance or an unstable government. They would like a stable government. If anything like this happens in the future, we'll think about it then, not now.
So you're not rejecting an alliance if it's necessary?
No, I am not. I'm certainly not accepting it.
You're not accepting. For you, all I want to know is that BJP you'll never ally with. They're untouchable for you. But the Aam Aadmi Party is not untouchable, basically.
No, it is more than untouchable for the simple reason it has no base whatsoever. We don't, in spite of the fact that there have been so many polling, scenarios, we don't think the Aam Aadmi is going to get any seat whatsoever. Any seat whatsoever.
And what about you personally? 15 years, the same thing. Don't you want to be a glorious minister in a central government and look...
What do you mean by
That's a more relaxed time, right?
Yeah, probably it is. But this is a job I have to do. I never run away from what I'm supposed to do. After that, we'll see.
After some chance you may go for a...
You remember you'd asked me the same question last time. But I don't take... You see, in a political system and a party like ours, we don't take our own individual decisions. We're either picked up to do something or otherwise. So let the party decide.
But you'll take part in the Lok Sabha election campaign.
Of course. If I'm asked to, certainly in Delhi and anywhere else that I'm asked to, certainly.
Would you stand for a Lok Sabha seat?
No, thank you.
Chance.
Not
had enough
so
of this.
soon after this election. Because right now I'm not just fighting my own seat, I'm fighting 70 seats.
One last thing, of all the development you talked about, what about the corruption issues, the Commonwealth Games, and what about prices? These are two big negatives, right?
I'm going to tell you very categorically.
Right.
And I feel very hurt, disturbed,
Right.
that we are being called corrupt when there is no corruption. You tell me which minister has had to resign, which civil servant in our government has had to resign. CAG wrote something, Shunglu committee wrote something, PAC asked us some questions, they were all answered. Now why are we called corrupt? We are not corrupt. And if you think we are, give us proof. We'll correct it. We'll take action. But just on the air to go on saying corruption, I'm sorry, I don't agree with this and I refute it very vehemently.
Last thing about prices. Couldn't you have acted faster, imported onions? You didn't seem to work quick enough. Is that your biggest negative?
No, we acted very fast. We brought out vans selling 220 of them all over Delhi to stabilize the black marketing. It did happen. Now where is there not price rise? You saw the films in Madhya Pradesh where there was hoarding going on. You also saw that trucks were not able to carry these goods from one place to another. There were weather conditions. But the prices have come down and they always do And when there's a change of season, prices rise, not perhaps to 100 rupees or 80 rupees. It never went to 100 here. So we did take measures. We didn't allow things to go totally haywire.
But is it
and
your-
remember, we are an importing state.
But
we
is
are
it
not
your biggest negative in this election? The one thing you have to convince people you find?
No, people know. People know that price
What
rise.
is your biggest negative?
My biggest negative, I don't take a negative.
Thanks very much.